Have you ever noticed how your brain loves to bring back heartbreak at the worst possible times? You're finally healing, drinking water, minding your business, living your life, and suddenly your brain goes, "Hey, remember that person who shattered you emotionally? Let's think about them for absolutely no reason." Like, bro, why? Who invited you? It's honestly wild. You can be in the middle of something completely normal, brushing your teeth, eating Maggi, waiting for an Uber, and boom, a full heartbreak flashback hits you like a Bollywood slow-motion scene. Your brain plays the sad soundtrack, shows the highlight reel of pain, and ruins your entire mood in zero point 0.3 seconds. But here's the real question. Why does your brain keep repeating heartbreak? Why does it replay memories you don't want, reopen wounds you've already closed, and remind you of someone you're trying so hard to forget? Well, let's talk about it. And don't worry, this is not going to be some complicated psychology lecture. This is real life, in simple language, with a little humor so we don't cry midway. First reason, your brain thinks it's protecting you. Yes, the same brain that forgets where you kept your keys remembers heartbreak like it's a national treasure. Your brain genuinely believes that replaying the pain will prepare you so you never get hurt again. It's like emotional training, like your brain is a strict gym coach yelling, "Remember the trauma. Stay alert. Don't trust anyone." Meanwhile, you're just trying to enjoy your chai in peace. Second reason, your brain loves patterns. It doesn't like new things. It likes familiar ones. And heartbreak? Oh, that feeling is very familiar. Your brain knows how it works, how you react, how it ends. So sometimes it repeats heartbreak because it's comfortable, not because it's good for you. It's like when you keep ordering the same food from the same restaurant, even though it wasn't even that great. Why? Because it's predictable, and your brain loves predictable. Third reason, your brain is addicted to emotional intensity. You know how people say heartbreak feels like withdrawal? That's because it literally is. Your brain was used to the highs, the texts, the attention, the affection, the dopamine. And when the relationship ends, your brain goes, "Where is my dopamine? Where is my daily dose of emotional drama?" So it starts replaying memories because they create tiny emotional sparks. Painful sparks, yes, but still intensity. And your brain is like, something is better than nothing. Fourth reason, this one hurts a little. Your brain didn't get closure, so it's trying to create its own version. You keep thinking about what you should have said, what they should have said, what could have happened, what never happened. And your brain keeps analyzing the same breakup like it's studying for an exam you already failed. It just keeps looping, hoping one day it'll find the answer key. Fifth reason, your identity got attached to the person. Whether you admit it or not, you built routines around them, thoughts around them, emotions around them. Your brain memorized them like a daily habit, and habits don't disappear overnight. It's like telling your brain, "Hey, that thing you did every day for months or years? Yeah, stop doing it." Your brain replies, "Lol, no." Sixth reason, your brain loves what ifs. Oh, the famous what if, the silent enemy of peace. What if we tried again? What if they actually cared? What if timing was different? What if I didn't mess up? What if they come back? Your brain becomes a part-time scriptwriter creating alternate timelines where the heartbreak magically fixes itself. Spoiler alert, it won't. But your brain loves that fantasy because hope feels better than reality. Now here's the interesting part. Your brain repeats heartbreak until you teach it something new. Yep. Your brain is like that friend who gives terrible advice but means well. It repeats the pain because it thinks it's helping. But the moment you start building new habits, new routines, new moments, new memories, your brain slowly stops replaying the old ones. Because the truth is, your mind doesn't heal by forgetting the past. It heals by creating a present that is stronger than the past. And let's be real, heartbreak feels heavy because you didn't just lose a person. You lost a version of yourself. The version that loved without holding back. The version that believed. The version that hoped. And your brain keeps reminding you of the heartbreak because it's waiting for you to rebuild that version, but better, stronger, wiser. So the real answer to why your brain repeats heartbreak? It's trying to heal you in the only way it knows, even if the method is annoying. But here's the good news. You can retrain it. Slowly, patiently, by choosing new thoughts, by letting go of what if, by creating new emotional experiences, by reminding yourself that heartbreak is not a life sentence. It's a chapter. And one day, without even realizing it, you'll wake up and notice something beautiful. Your brain hasn't replayed the pain in a while. Not because the heartbreak disappeared, but because you grew bigger than the memory.